In this part of the tutorial, I'll show you now how to add text onto your video and make them animated. So to add text, you'll look for the text option, which is this right here. And as you tap on it, you'll see these set of options. You want to go to where it says text right here. Now, because I'm using my pen here, I'll just put down the pen for now here, and I'll just simply just tap on this enter here to get a little spot here. There you go. Okay, so basically when you are about to add text, your box will open up. Your keyboard is also going to show up, whether you're using a Samsung or an Android device here. And you're just going to put in the words that you want to add. I'm just going to use the word text here, and I'll press the check mark. And I'll go back to using my pen here now. So the first thing you'll notice is that there is the style of text, the color, and the other options for that text in particular. And you can also move it around. You can increase the size of it here, and you can make changes to it by selecting the edit option here. Or if you're working with multiple text on your video itself, you can use the timeline section here to tap on the different ones you want. Every time you tap on the text to edit it, you'll see this option shows up. So for example, I can tap here or I can tap here and I'll get these right here. I can go to the edit from here to get the edit options here, or I can tap on the edit here to get the edit options here. I'll put down my pen for now so that we can see the keyboard whenever it pops up. So now when I go to edit here now, you'll notice that you can change the text here. You can add more to the text. You can also change the color of it. And with the latest update, you also have the option to get the glow. So you got the text color. This is going to be your text color here. You can also change the border frame around it, increase the thickness of it. You can see how the black's getting really thick here, and you can change the color of that as well. Okay, so you'll just find the color that's right for your text. Now, other than all of that here, you have the shadow effect here, but you won't really notice the shadow effect if you have the glow effect. So I'll take out the glow effect. I'll switch to the shadow here. I'll go with white maybe as my shadow effect. And you'll notice there is a little shadow effect right there. You can adjust that from either way here. You can adjust the transparency and the thickness of it as well. So I'll come out the shadow now. We'll switch over to the glow. The glow effect is actually better to me, and you can choose what you want. You have the two different styles of glow here. You can increase the rays of this version here, or just a simple one that kind of gives a highlight around the entire text itself. Okay, so you got all these different really cool options that you can use to your advantage here. Okay, now other than the text here being colorful and all that stuff here, you can choose the style of it now. You can get some more from the store. If you go to the store itself, you can get plenty free ones. You'll just have to pay. I'm sorry. You have to play ads to avoid paying to get the free different styles here. Okay, when you go to unlock like this here, you can just get the free unlock. Just play the ad, make sure the ad runs, and then come back and you'll get the free new style. Okay, now other than the different styles here, you have your editing section where you can increase the spacing, the size here. This is like curving it if you wanted that, and these are all new to the Inshot. Okay, the curve, and then you got this here. This here is if you have multiple lines here. So I'll just put the word text again to show you that. And then when I go back here, you can adjust the space in between the lines. This is going to increase the space in between the letters itself. You also have the option to make it bold, italic, and underline if you were looking for that. And this is to make them all in caps if that specific font style doesn't have them all in caps. Okay, so it's up to you to make that decision. I'll go back here now and remove this bottom one here. Then I will show you now the animation. So the animation one is this option right here with this little circle here moving back and forth. I'll switch to that here now. And what you can do with this is have your text appear onto your video in a specific way. You got some of the presets one here, the intro, whether it comes from left to right and all that here. And then you got the single letter one. Notice how the single letter one gives you more style to it, and you can make changes to that as to how it will appear on your video, okay? And you can play it slower if it's moving too fast. So let's say I go this one as how it appears into my video, which is the in, and then how it exits the video would be this way out, or maybe this one here, okay? That's the out one, okay? So when you play the text now with the animation, it's gonna appear like that, and then it's gonna exit based on the duration, okay? And you can increase your duration by pulling on these as to how long that text is gonna appear for your video, okay? So that's the text and animation part. Now, let's go ahead and move on to the second part. And also, you can like and subscribe if you reached to this part of the video, and you can check out the chapters, the playlist section in the comment section. I'll most likely have a chapters section so you can navigate the video faster. I do understand the video is very long, but you can find a certain chapter points for you to go faster.